Hi, welcome. My name is Richard. I am the owner of Richard's House of Cigars, and I'm here to demonstrate some of the cutters that we provide at my store. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to cut using the punch, the V-cut, the guillotine, the perfect cutter, the scissors. We're going to start with the punch. So the punch is basically very simple to use. You just press it, take your cigar, the very end of the cigar, the one that's capped. And by the way, this is called the cap. Okay, you press it in, kind of give it a little wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Okay, and that's it. It'll create a hole. And then what you do is, this one it's a keychain, and it has a button where you press and it retracts. My second one is my favorite, which is the V-cut. This will give you a clean, very clean cut. It's very simple to use. What you do is you insert the cap part of the cigar, okay, and then you press this button here, okay, and then it releases. All right, and it give you a nice clean cut. You know, let me show you guys. You take that little hole there, you press it here, and you heard that? Very nice clean cut, and look how beautiful. What a nice cut. So the next one I'm going to show you is the guillotine. It is a lot of people's favorite. It's very simple to use, and it's important that you pay attention, because if you cut too much of the cap, you'll unravel the whole cigar. Okay, so kind of, if you look at the cap, okay, the very top, okay, is what you want to cut. Once you do that, and you do it once, maybe twice, maybe 3 times, you'll become an expert. The next one is called the scissors. Again, all right, it's very simple to use, but you got to use it several times in order to become not an expert, but in order to know what you're doing. Okay, and if you look at it, if you look at where I'm cutting, that's where you want to cut. Okay, it's just the same as the guillotine, the very top of the cap. All right, so that way you cut the very top, you don't unravel the whole cigar. Otherwise, you're gonna have the cigar all over your mouth, and people are gonna say, "What's going on? Is there something wrong with your cigar?" Okay, then I have the perfect cutter. Okay, this one gets rid of all that issue, okay? And if you notice, it's covered, all right? It has a protector, and what that does, it protects you from cutting too much of the top, okay? It's called a perfect cutter. So that is what I have tonight. Again, my name is Richard. I am the owner of Richard's House of Cigars. We have gone over several cutters here: the punch, the scissors, the guillotine, and the perfect cutter, and also my favorite, which is the V-cutter. Oh, by the way, this V-cutter also comes with a punch. Ta-da! Okay, guys. All right, if you have any questions, email me at richards at gmail.com. Our website is richardshoc.com. Okay, you can see these a lot better from there, from that website. I also have plenty of cigars. My father's, Cohiba, A. Fuentes, AJ Fernandez. Behind me I have Oliva, Rocky Patel, and on, Torinos. So email me, or you can give me a call at 201-870-6001. I'll see you in the next pod.